Today I'm going to teach you how to file taxes for free with TurboTax. This is a straightforward process that allows you to handle your tax filing entirely online without needing to pay for professional services or complicated software. Let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to TurboTax. Type in turbotax.intuit.com in your address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the Sign In option. Go ahead and click on it, then enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you're already set up. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see the main dashboard. This is where all your tax filing activities are managed. To start filing your taxes for free with TurboTax, look to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find several options, but the one you want to focus on is labeled My Info. Click on it. This section is designed to guide you through the entire process of filing your taxes, making sure you don't miss any important information along the way. The process from here is pretty straightforward, but it's important to be thorough. You'll be prompted to fill out all the required information, starting with your personal details. This includes your full name, current address, and other identifying information. Next, you'll need to enter your SSN or TIN. This is your social security number or taxpayer identification number, which is essential for the IRS to process your return. You'll also be asked for your birth date and occupation. Make sure everything you enter is accurate, as any mistakes here could delay your filing or cause issues down the line. Once you've confirmed and added all the required details, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a button labeled Continue. Click on it to move forward. This will save your information and take you to the next step in the process. Now, on the last part, you'll be required to review all the details you've provided and sign off on them. This is an important step because you're certifying that everything you've entered is correct and truthful. Look for the button that says Review and Sign and click on it. A right side panel will appear with the final review form. From here, simply type in your full name in the designated field. Then click on the checkbox that reflects the current date. This confirms that you're signing the document on today's date. Once you've done that, click on Agree. This submits your tax filing for review. Keep in mind that you might have to wait for a couple of days before you receive confirmation or a revision request based on the details you provided. The IRS and TurboTax need time to process your information and ensure everything checks out. And that's it. You've successfully filed your taxes for free with TurboTax. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.